Welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today we're building a shed base. Not just any base. Plastic base. Looks flimsy, but it does the job. It spreads the weight out nice and evenly. If I was going to do this in my garden at home, for instance, I would go the concrete route. I'd do it myself. I'd put hardcore down and concrete over the top to get a nice level solid base. But as we're away from home on an allotment site, we need something a bit more portable, which is where this comes in. Yes, I could buy slabs, wheel them up here, put them down, and if I ever want to move site, then I have to wheel the slabs off again to another site. This just ticks all the boxes. It's dead simple to put together. It just slots together. I'll show you how in a little bit, and it's just very simple to use. So what we'll do, we'll cue the music.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Look for any low spots because you will have them if you're going directly on soil. And then just fill them in. So and all I do stick the hose under it or give it a shake and it'll find its level, and that's it. Your shed base is done. If you like what you see today, have a look through the site. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.